In this video I'll show you how to replace carbon brushes on a Cyclovac E100 vacuum cleaner. Here we have the new carbon brushes that I've bought from a local shop here in Denmark. Using the screwdriver, bend the brush tube tab outward like this. And also do it on the other side. And then I'll use a plier to grasp the tap and remove the brush from the bracket. They can be a little bit stuck. So there you are, like this. And also on the other side. There we are. So now both brushes, the old brushes, are ready for removal. And as you can see, they are pretty worn out. So I'll now take the new carbon brushes from the bag, and also please notice that we have this special insertion tool that we are going to compress the spring with in the sockets. So there you are. In my right hand you see the special tool, and I'll insert that to compress the spring. And then I'll slide the carbon brush over the top of the installation tool and push by hand so that the new carbon brush will be situated correctly into the bracket. And then I'll remove the insertion tool and push the new carbon brushes fully in, and then we just need to give a little bit with the rubber hammer. There we are. That was the first carbon brush, and then we'll perform the same operation on the other side for the other carbon brush. You're still using the special installation tool. Remove the installation tool there and insert the carbon brush on the other side, and also use the rubber hammer to get it fully inserted. There we are. So now both new carbon brushes are installed and we are basically ready to go. So we just need to reassemble the Cyclovac with the lid, put the lid back on, like this, and just screw the 3 screws in that are holding the lid. There we are. So everything is ready, and just have to install the Cyclovac in place and put the tube back on and connect the cable with the 220 volts, and then it will run for approximately 3 to 5 years. Thanks for watching.